Once again, welcome all of you in the second session of this training program on AutoCAD. So till now we have discussed about the absolute coordinate system. In this session, we are going to learn the relative coordinate system, maybe by rectangular method or maybe by polar method. So we are starting with the second session of this training program. So as we told you earlier also, there are various ways and means by which you can enter your command in the AutoCAD software. But best way is if you can do it with the help of the keyboard. This will increase your capabilities for drawing the whatever drawing is given to you, or straightway you can take it with the help of various command prompt areas or from the various main menus, and you can go to the sub menus and from there you can select your command. But if you can do it with the help of the keyboard, I think this is going to give you the boost to you. Thank you.
Now we make this exercise with the help of relative coordinate system. In last exercise we take a point 0, 0. Now first go to the line command, select point anywhere on the workspace. Now we make a first point, take anywhere, then we go to the second. The distance is 0.35. In a relative coordinate system, our coordinate can be dynamic. Now for relative coordinate system, the syntax is @ x, y. Syntax है @x, y. For first point x, y, for second point x1, y1. Now first we take point, then we go to the @ command, and one point our distance is 0.35. The distance we take distance in y, then x is 0. And enter. After that we go to the second line and the distance is 0.45. At the rate 0.45, 0. Like this we go the symmetrically make these things with the help of relative method. First @ Now we make a line of 1.35
units.
1.35 units at the rate 1.35 comma 0 now our downward is 2.1. Then we now with the help of we are in relative method.
Ajay,
now in relative method we going downwards, then our y is negative, x is 0 comma minus 1.2, sorry 2.1 enter. We need one more corner in here, then go the line command with the help of snap, take this point and go to the syntax adds with the help of shift at the rate minus 0.45 comma 0 and go downward at the rate 0 comma 0.35 एंटर. अब ये ऊपर चला गया बट हमें नीचे जाना था तो नेगेटिव चाहिए, तो इसके लिए हमारे पास एक और कमांड है अनडू कमांड. यू एंटर अगेन राइट द पॉइंट एट द रेट 0 comma we are going to in y minus 0.35 enter. Now with the help of O snap to close this line. Similarly, with the help of cursor select right in right there are two type of selection process: crossing window and window cross section. When we start, select the left left click of mouse and drag, then select those which are under the windows. This is window selection. Escape. When we select from right side of the workspace with the help of mouse, left click and drag, this is cross section window selection. Those which are touch with this are selected. Select all, then E enter. This is a erase command. We delete all the lines. Now our next exercise, this is also we are making with the help of relative coordinate system. Now again take a line command. First in x direction we go to the 0.39, then in the y direction we going to 0.31. At the rate 0.39, comma 0, enter. With the help of scroll we can zoom in, zoom out. Now we are going to the y direction. The y value is 0.31. Now at the rate 0, 0.31, enter. And again we are going to the x direction. The x value is 0.39. At the rate, in this exercise we are taking a origin point dynamically. Our last point is our reference point, but in absolute coordinate system our origin point is fixed, like our origin is 0, 0. In this we are take a reference point. Last is a reference. Then at the rate, again making 0.39, 0, and upward direction at the rate 0, 0.31. Here we have a 1 corner, 2 and 3. We have 1 and 2. Now make third. At the rate 0.39, 0. At the rate 0, 0.31. And this distance is 0.79. At the rate 0.79, 0. Now we are going downwards. In here the y is negative. At the rate 0, minus 0.39, in y we have a distance is 0.31, minus, I repeat the syntax, at the rate 0, minus 0.31. Now here the x is same, then at the rate sorry, 0.39, 0, enter. And in y direction at the rate 0, minus 0.31. Quickly making 2 more corners. at the rate 0.39, 0, and in y direction at the rate 0, minus 0.31. This point is also a 0.39 at the rate 0.39, 0, and this is y direction is 0.31. Now at the rate 0, 0.31. अब फिर अगेन आपको मैंने ये अनडू कमांड रिमाइंड करने के लिए बनाया है। अब हमसे ऊपर चला गया है, हमने दोबारा अपनी डायरेक्शन में बनाना है, तो वी कैन यूज अनडू कमांड। यू एंटर अनडू and we make at the rate, we are using going to the, this is our reference point, and in this direction y is negative, then we use 0, minus y is 0.31. Now here we going x, in here point x going to be a negative. Go at the rate minus 0.39, 0, and here y going to negative. Similarly, we make other two corners. Now our distance is 0.79 at the rate minus 0.79, 0 goes upward at the rate 0, now y is positive, we are using not minus sign, 0.31, enter, but here our x is negative, then at the rate minus 0.39, 0, at the rate 0, 0.31, at the rate minus 0.39, 0, at the rate 0, 0.31, and the x point is at the rate minus 0.39, 0. If we close this, enter C, it's going to be a close. Now our two exercise on relative system can be completed. We are going to the relative polar coordinate system. Our exercise is ये पूरा कर देते हैं उसके बाद. Make this diagram. Our anti-clockwise is positive, clockwise is negative. So this angle is, we taking this angle is 60 degree. From this point we taking this angle. This is not, we are not taking this is a 60. We're taking this is 120 from this side, because select all with cross section window, E, enter and enter, erase all. First take a line command, first make a point, and the second point is 3, 0 at the rate 3, 0, enter. From here we make a angle of 120, because
स्काइप से
बट भी
हाँ जी
repeat करूं.
no, no, go ahead.
Our command is at the rate distance less than sign and angle and enter. This is now escape, go the line command and select this end, make a 60 degree with the help of polar coordinate system, relative polar coordinate system. Shift at the rate 3 is length less than sign and 60, enter here. Like this we can make a rectangle with the help of polar command with the angle of 60, a equilateral triangle. Now we are making a start with other command, polygon. For polygon, first we make a circle, C, enter, take a center point, then the radius is 5, enter. After that, we are going to the polygon command. The polygon shortcut is POL. And here is in draw toolbar, we have also a polygon command. So first I write POL, enter. First in command line, the polygon command, enter the number of sides. We make a number of sides is 6, enter. After that, specify the center of polygon. We want to take a center of circle as a center of polygon, but here the center is not showing. Then go to the OSnap, right click, go to the settings, select center and OK. Now center can be shown to us on the screen. First take a center. Now we want to make a inscribed or circumscribed. First we make inscribed, then take I and enter. Now specify the radius of circle. The radius of circle is 5 and enter. Now our polygon is inscribed in the circle. Again POL, enter. POL is the shortcut of the polygon command. Now we take a number of side is 5. Specify the center of polygon. Again take the center. And here last time we take inscribed in the circle. Now we take circumscribed about the circle. Last time we write here I, now we write C, or other way we click on the circumscribed about the circle, click. After that giving a radius 5, enter. Here the second one is making circumscribed about the circle. This is our polygon command. Select all and E, enter, delete all. Second, we going to the rectangle command. The rectangle is corner rectangle. Like in tutorial showing point 1 and point 2. Corner of first corner of rectangle and the last corner of rectangle. First we take rectangle command from the draw toolbar, or write a shortcut is REC. REC, enter. Take first point, first corner and second corner. Now I am making with the help of mouse click. We also with the help of coordinate system. First I take first point, then at the rate second corner point is 6,4, 6,4 and enter. Now with the help of dimension I will show you. This is 6, this is 4. So when we are using commands, we are preferring command line. We are using all command with the help of keyboard. Select all and E enter. Delete. Now we go to the other command, that is ellipse. EL. This is ellipse. In ellipse we have a center point, we have a center point, major axis, minor axis. I'm making line first, after that I show you 0, 0. Go to the ellipse. First we select the center, then we select the one end of the axis, major end, then we take the minor. In ellipse, first we select center, then we select the one axis end, after that we select the other axis end. With this is ellipse. After that ellipse we are using a zoom command. Now our workspace goes too much wide, then we go with the help of zoom command, we can set all in our workspace. Z enter, A enter all. And if we want to specify somewhere, Z enter, W enter, and make a window, enter. It will zoom that circle or that point. Now this circle is showing like a polygon. Then we have one command to set the pixel of circle, that is regenerate. And the shortcut of regenerate is REGEN and enter. Now the pixel of circle can be set. If we can zoom again, at one point again the pixel can go into like a polygon. So when we are zoom, then use regenerate again and again. Now we are using the pan command. This is pan. If we click on the scroll, the pan command can work. Otherwise we write PAN and enter, and pan command is working. Or using a escape command to escape the pan. Select all, delete, E enter.
Yes, please. Any center is having any problem or want to ask some query from us? हाँ जी आप अपना
हेलो
तो माइक बंद कर दें.
हेलो
हाँ जी बोलिए हसन साहब।
जी सर, जो सर्कल और पॉलीगन वाला कमांड बताया गया था वो प्लीज रिपीट कीजिएगा एक बार।
मैं करता हूँ।
जी सर।
Say if you want to draw the circle, so again I told you in the beginning, so there are various ways and means by which you can draw the things. Either you can give the command in the command prompt area, or you can take it with the help of your toolbar, or you can draw it with the help of your main menu bar. इसमें वो वाला नहीं होता ना, setting change करें. Anyway, so this is the toolbar for the drawing command. So if we go ahead one by one, you will see line is there, then polyline is there, then we are having the circle in this, and we are having the arc in this. Likewise, rectangle, ellipse, and hatching is there. So we are drawing the circle in this. So this I will do with the help of the direct entry command, not with the help of the coordinate system. Same thing you can do with the help of the coordinate system also. So direct entry, so I am selecting the, you just see nothing is there in my command prompt area. Once I select it, it will show me in this command prompt area. I am selecting the circle. So this is the circle. Select me. So in case of circle, there are various means by which you can draw the circle. One is the center and radius. Second is the center and diameter. Third one is the 2 points. You are having 2 reference points with the help of which you can draw the circle also. There are 3 reference points. One is the tangent, tangent, radius, and third one is your tangent, tangent, and tangent. Right? So one by one I will show you how to draw the circle. Initially I am taking the center and radius. So this is my command in which with the help of this I am going to draw the circle. If you keep your cursor on this, further we will be having the drop down menus, further we will be having the template in this. This will show you, this will give the instruction how to draw the circle. So I am selecting the first one, center and radius. Just you see with the help of my left mouse button I am selecting it. So I have selection the center and radius. You just see here my main command is the circle, and it is asking me specify the center point for circle, or there are various means by which you can draw the circle. So I was in my center and radius, I suppose, in the command. So by default it will take that one only. So I have to specify the center of the circle. This is my center. Again you just see, you just read here, this is our main thing which we should have our eye on this. It is asking me specify the radius of the circle. So radius, with the help of my cursor I am changing it. You just see with the movement of my cursor the radius is increasing or decreasing, right? So effectively it is nothing but the radius is from this main center to the distance traveled is my radius. I can enter by the direct click on the screen, or I can enter my radius here in the command prompt area. Say I want to draw this circle at a radius of 10. So just I am entering the 10 and I will say enter to it. This will give me the circle of 10 radius. This is beyond my screen. This is beyond my screen. This I can do with the help of the zoom command. So either you write Z here or go to the main menu from where we can select the Z command, or I am taking it with the help of the entry Z here, and then zooms are various types of zooms you can do. You can have the zoom all, zoom center, zoom dynamic, extend, previous, scale, window, objects. So in this case I am taking zoom all. I will say A to it and just give enter to it. So this is my circle which is I have drawn with the help of this command. It is not still visible, so I want to see it. This again I can say enter to it. It will give me the last command only, zoom, enter, and I can do with the help of the extend, enter. So this was the circle which I have drawn with the help of radius and diameter, sorry, center and radius. Likewise, I can draw the another circle with the help of the radius and diameter. You just see further it will show me what is this radius, where is the radius, where is the diameter. Again I am doing center and diameter, so this is my center and this is my diameter, right? Again write it 10. Diameter is 10, radius was 5. Anyway, so this we have drawn with the help of the diameter. If I want to see the diameter of this, so this I can do with the help of the annotation, main menu annotation. In this we are having the dimensions, and then we have to select the circular one. Yes, here is the dimension for the circle. Yes. So you just see this now it has changed. So it is showing me something here, diameter, I suppose, because my eyes are weak. I'm not having specs with me. So you kindly read it if you can read it. So this is the diameter effectively. Then select the arc or circle. So this is my circle, and you just see it is having the diameter of 10. Earlier we have drawn it with the help of the radius. Just let us see what it's showing me. Again it is having the diameter is 20 because we have selected 10 as the radius, so diameter is going to be the opposite of this. So next command is the 2 point. So in case of 2 point, further you can see in the another template, or let me draw the 2 points. Say I am having one line here. I can repeat it with the help of the right click on this, repeat second line from here to here, and say enter to it. I want to draw the circle with 2 points. So my first point is say right click setting. So this is my first point, and second point say this is my second point. Likewise, you can draw the another circle with the help of another means. Say 3 point is there. So this is say my first point, this is my second point. With reference to first and second, it is drawing me the third point. It is showing me the third point. This is the third point, right? And this you can erase with the help of the modify command, and you just see the icon here. Erase is there. So this is erase. I am giving the command erase. You just see my selection. There are 3 ways by which you can select the erase. One is the fence. This you can do with the help of the individual entity. So I am selecting this one, this one. So this is the fence command. Or we can do with the help of the window command. So from left to right, it will show me the window command. You just see the color of this window. Whatever things which is there in the window, it will be selected, otherwise it is not. You just see this is the only entity which is inside the window. So this circle will be selected, not the other circles. You just see this is the window command by which you can select it. Or another one is the fencing. So, sorry, crossing. Third one is the crossing. In case of crossing, I will select from my right to the left. You just see the color. Now color is different. Earlier it was blue, now it is somehow green. You just see where it is touching, it will be selecting. You just see this circle is not inside this window, but in case of selection mode, this is the crossing. So whatever things are touching this window, it will be selected. You just see. So all the things have been selected, just give enter to it, this will go, right? So third one is, say if I am having one triangle and I want to draw the circle inside this, in that case I will select my method as tangent, tangent and tangent. So this is another way by which you can draw the tangent. Now it is asking me tangent. So this is my first tangent, this is my second tangent, and this is my third tangent. So circle can be drawn. Yes, please, any query? Is it all right, please? Things are clear to the students? Anyway, we will go ahead with this. ये तो टूल बार दिखा रहा है जो हमने सिलेक्ट किया था, यहाँ से चेंज करने के लिए वो हमारे कहाँ है? This is the main file of your AutoCAD. In this case, you can change depending upon your requirement in which fashion you want to have your screen. So in case of drafting and annotation, earlier was the screen. Now in case of classic, this is going to be the screen. You just see how it is changing. Our toolbars are in different fashion, and we can see this is the main menu in which you can see what is there in draw command. So just I am clicking my left mouse button on this, and it is showing me the draw commands. So we can draw line, we can draw ray, we can draw construction line, then we can draw multi-line, we can draw polyline, we can draw 3D poly, likewise rectangle, polygon, helix, arc. When this arrow is there, it means in case of main, this is going to be your main menu, and sub menu will be having the other command. So this is the arc. There are various ways and means by which you can draw the arc. Likewise, 3-point is there and other points are there. Same is the situation with in case of circle. You can draw the circle with the help of these means. Likewise, you can draw the donut. There is nothing is there here. This type of arrow is not there. There were donut means this is the only one. In case of spline, there are means by which you can draw the spline. Same is the situation in case of ellipse. You can see ellipse can be drawn with the help of the center. You can draw with the help of the axis and end, and you can draw with the help of the arc. Likewise, you can generate the block. So if you want to fit in something time and again, you just create one block, or you can create multi-block in this. Then you can create these blocks in your main drawing. You can place these blocks in your main drawing. You can create table also. You can change the point style. You can hatch it, and further there are other commands are there. And last command is the text. You can create the text. You can write the text on the screen. This may be in single line, or you can have the multi-line, just we have used in case of Windows paragraphs. We can write with the help of the multi-text line, right? So one by one, I will show you how to draw the lines by direct entry, and then we will discuss in the next class. And yes, please, we have forwarded you the coordinate system along with 2-3 drawings. Have you received, or you have not received that email? People have received the email which I have forwarded for you for this coordinate system.
एक एक कॉलर से
मैडम एक को कनेक्ट करो, लंच ब्रेक में देख लें। एनीवे आप वो लंच ब्रेक में यू कैन सी दैट and you have to do the exercise one by one, and tomorrow you are going to forward me that exercise. We will see here whether people are working there in proper fashion or not. So we will go ahead with the draw command. Say I want to draw. So initially line you have seen with the help of the coordinate system, as well as I will show you how to draw the line by simple direct entry. So line starting from this is my first point. You will see it is asking me my second point. With the help of the cursor I am moving the point towards this direction. If you want to draw this in the horizontal and vertically, we have to on the ortho. This is, you will see, ortho. Ortho is there for drawing the line in the horizontal and vertical fashion. One click is on and second click is off. This we can do with the help of the mouse button as well as with the help of the F8 button. So ortho, now ortho is on. You just see my line is horizontal without any kink in between. So this is line in X direction. Likewise we can draw the line in Y direction. Enter. If I want to draw the line from this to this, if my ortho is on, it will not work. But once you say ortho off, you can draw your line. And with the help of object snap, on the object snap, you just see by clicking on the object snap, there are various points in which, with the help of which we can select that point. So in case of ortho, I am putting it on. I am drawing the line. It is showing me the end point. You just see the mouse. You just see the cursor and the placing of the mouse. It is showing me the end point of this line. So this is the point, and this is the end point of the another point. I can say with the help of the right click, I can enter to it. So now my command is over. Again, you right click on this. Your last command will be functional. So you can draw the repeat line. So line, say I want to draw the line from the mid of this. You just see this is the midpoint. You just see this is the midpoint, and we can draw the line here. Again, from the midpoint of this to the midpoint of this, we can draw the line. Or we can draw the line from this point to this point. So this is the draw command line. Now we can draw the rays. Ray is nothing but one source is there. Say we are getting the rays from the sun. The source point is fixed. So one point is going to be fixed, another is the never ending. So I am drawing the ray command. Say this is my source point. From this source point, you just see my rays is going. I don't know what is the end of this. This is the one, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. So this is the ray command. But in case of construction line, it will be on the both the side. So this is my construction line. So this is my point. You just see it is in both the direction. But again, that point will be fixed. You can draw the construction line. Now we can draw the polyline. Polyline. The difference between the line and polyline, in case of line, the joining of two points is a line. But in case of polyline, the things will be, the entity will be one. So this is the say I am drawing the polyline with the help of polyline, though I am going here and there. But when I am going to selecting it, say I want to erase this one, there are not the many lines in bit, but this is the one entity only. So if I am selecting with the help of the erase, I am erasing just one point, but it is showing me the total one. But in case of line, it is showing me the different entity. This is one entity, this is the second entity, this is the third entity, this is the fourth entity. So this is the difference between line and polyline. So I am erasing all the things. Select object, say I am saying all, enter and then enter. So we can draw the polygon. Polygon is shown to you earlier also. Let me repeat it once again. So I am drawing the polygon. Circle. You just see polygon by default. The last users has given the polygon as 5. So by default it will take 5. We can change the polygon number of sides. Any number of side you can change it. 6. I have selected 6 and you give enter to it. Then it is asking me the center of the polygon, or you can give the edge to the polygon. The distance between one to the second is will be the edge, or specify the center of the polygon. So this is my center. Whether you want to draw it inscribe or circumscribe. The difference will be one is going to be inside the circle and second is outside the circle. So by default it is the circumscribed. So let us consider circumscribe, say enter to it. It is asking me the radius. So with the help of my mouse, it is varying. So this was the inscribe, circumscribe. Next, we can draw it for the inscribe. Again, the sides are 6, enter. Then center is, say this is, and say inscribe for I, enter. You see. So the difference is nothing. One is going to be within the circle and second is going to be the outside the circle. Rectangle straight way you can draw it. Rectangle, again further commands are there. This will we are going to show you when we will modify it. We can do the chamfer also. We can have the elevation also. We can give the fillet. We can give the thickness to it. We can give the width to it. So now the simple one is the center, distance and distance. So this is one rectangle, right? Enter. Say if you want to give the thickness to this,
0.1.
so this is the thickness. Now I am drawing the circle. Rectangle. Thickness आता है इसका width इसको 0 कर 0 कट गया फिर गया हाँ दिखेगा चला अच्छा ये width कर it is showing me the width of this rectangle. We can have the chamfer to the rectangle. Just you say C to it, enter. This is a chamfer of fillet. 1, 2, 2. 1 second is 0.2. 0.4. इसको जूम करना. You just see chamfer is there now in the rectangle. Width 0. One कर दूसरा 2 कर जूम कर देना. So this is the chamfer rectangular drawn with the help of the chamfer. One distance is 0.1, 1, and second is 2. You just see that's why you are having the one is flattened, another one is having the less. Or if you want to draw it by equal, we can again say enter to it. Then we will give chamfer 1 4 4. Same way we can draw the rectangle with the help of the fillet also. Fillet is going to be circular one. So we have to give the circle to the command. If you again say enter to it and then fillet F4 fillet, radius is 4, enter. So rectangle can be drawn with the help of the fillet also. In the same fashion we can draw the arc. Arc, again various ways and means by which you can draw the arc. I am showing you the one or two things. One is the start, center and end. First I am taking this one. So say this is my start point, this is my center point. You just see I am clicking here as my center, so my arc is moving like this. So my arc is moving like this. So where anywhere we want to put it, this is my arc. Another way of drawing the arc is say start, center, and you can give the length to the it. So say this is my start, this is my center, and whatever length I am giving to it, it is showing me the arc. One more things I am drawing for you is the start, end, and radius. So say this is my start point, this is my, you just see here, specify the end point of the arc, this is my end point, and this is my radius. So depending upon your requirement, depending upon the requirement of the drawing, you can draw the arc by various means. So till now, any query, please? Are we so fast? Any center, any feedback?